So saw your question on discussion board here. You're giving this histogram, or bar graph it looks like. Shows reviewer rating from 1 to lowest to 5 to highest on a recently published book. And I guess this is the rating and the probability there is given here. Like for rating of 4, I guess 0.246 people gave it that rating. Now, then 5.446, etc. Guess those probabilities sum probably to 1. So I did write the formulas down here for mean and standard deviation. If you just take the square root off, that's variance. So the mean is just x, the sum of x times p of x. So x is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and p of x is these decimals here, the probability at the top. So I did go ahead and work that out. It's 1 times 0.022 plus 2 times 0.067 plus 3 times 0.219, etc. So I wrote that and I punched that in a calculator. I hope I punched that in correctly. I get 4.027. And then you want to find, here's the formula for standard deviation. If you move the square root, then that's the variance. So what you have here, you take each rating, each rating 1 through 5, minus the mean, which what we just found, the 4.027. You take that, find that difference, square it, and then multiply it by the probability, which is this decimal here at the top. You want to sum each of these. I've started here. I ran out of room. Take a sheet of paper here to work this out. So I looked at 1 minus the mean, and then you want to square that and multiply it by the probability is 0.022. Then plus 2 minus the mean, 2 minus the mean squared times probability. It's quantity of it. So you subtract, you square it, and then you multiply by probability. And then you continue for 3, 4, and 5, and you add each of those, and that'll give you the variance, and you take it to square root of it, and that gives you the standard deviation. I hope that helps.